Hello everyone. So one of our four cycles chain is broken. So we are almost near NIT. We have cycled around 9 kilometers. So this is the NIT point. This one is the NIT point. So and here we go. Now to the left is our NIT. So here it is, NIT. Entering NIT. So we are entering NIT, as you can see. In front of me is Pradeep, and Naman and Uday and Prince far from them, ahead of them. So it is our NIT's gate. Not that much good, but it's okay. This is security check post. This is the entrance.